How to fix Hibernate mode not working in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Run Power Troubleshooter. Windows comes with a built-in troubleshooter which can identify and fix issues with power management. Fix 2. Install all Windows updates. Windows releases regular updates to improve system performance and fix known issues. If you haven't updated your system recently, doing so might solve the Hibernate mode not working. SFC and DISM are built-in Windows utilities used to repair system files and Windows images, respectively. Running these commands can potentially fix issues preventing the Hibernate mode from working correctly. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video.